So hey guys, how are you all? I hope you guys are stay good and stay positive. So my dear water element, we can in this reading we can check about your person current feelings and their next action, and as well as we can see the guidance for your love life. Okay. So if at all you guys are seeing my channel for the very first time, welcome you all to my family, and as well as I hope you also be a part of this family. So guys, please give your support. Please do subscribe. Please do subscribe. Your every each and every person subscription will definitely motivates me a lot, and as well as it will definitely helps to grow this channel as well. So let's start the reading now. Let's see what your person current feelings and your person next action towards you. Oh, getting a lot of cards. Hmm. Okay, so what on the deck we have the Son of Wands. Okay. So first we can see about your person current feelings towards you, the Moon. Okay. The Ten of Wands and the High Priestess. The major arcana card, two major arcana card has been came here. So overall I can see that this person is not trying to be open up. I think situation is be like an unfold here. Okay, some truth has not been revealed here. Situation has be like an unfold. Maybe you doesn't know like what to do in this situation, how you need to be react. Maybe some kind of a third party disturbance may also be happen in this relationship, or something be like an bad here. Some kind of a negativity is happening on your relationship right now. Because overall I can see that either it's be your energy or your person energy. Overall I can see that that is some kind of a burden up kind of a situation is happening between you both. um so overall I can see that this person is not revealing their truth. This person is hiding something from you, and in such cases, if at all this person is hiding something from you, maybe they are showing that they are be like happy, they are not concerning about you, they are be like happy, but something is bothering them. Maybe they are facing some kind of a losses on their family side, on their career side, and overall they are facing some kind of a losses over this relationship as well. But this person is not revealing their truth. Rather than this person is trying to avoid you, this person is trying to ignore you. Those kind of an energy I can see about your person current feelings. And let's see about your person next action as well. So we get again the major arcana card, the strength. Okay. The next card is judgment. Again the major arcana card. Okay, judgment. And we get a ten of cups and we get a five of wands. So this person is fighting themselves. This person is fighting themselves, and they are be like a back and forth kind of an energy here. Okay. And they want to build some kind of an courageous, because even though I can see that situation has been ended here, but still this person wants to, this person is not admitting it. Maybe they have been initiated to be end up this relationship, end up this communications or whatever it could be. But I can see that this person is also feeling somehow that this is not be ended here, this is not be an end here. This person will try to communicate, because they are not happy if at all you maybe moved on from this connection. Okay. They want some kind of an attention from you. So they are seeking some kind of an attention from you. With the strength card, I can see that there may be some kind of a chances that this person will try to communicate with you. Okay, because I think that maybe you also be in some kind of a painful kind of a situation. So this person is actually want to care you a lot, but instead of caring, they are showing some kind of an ignorance here. Okay, but deep down, this person actually want to care you a lot, but they are not showing it in a upfront. Okay, because with the 10 of cups, again I can see that this person is seeing some kind of an growth with you, some kind of from a 10 of wands to 10 of cups. This is their energy actually, but they are showing this kind of an energy like a 10 of wands, but actually this person wants some kind of a certain growth, certain wealth, and they want to communicate with you. They want to spend some kind of an time. They want to spend some kind of a movement as a long-term relationship. They are seeing this as a long-term relationship. Okay, and with the 5 of wands, they are fighting with themselves. They are fighting with their own decision. It's not like they are fighting with you. I can see that maybe in the past they maybe fight with you, but I can see that with a very clearly. So maybe some kind of a third party influence maybe happen on this relationship, so that right now they maybe try to fight with those third party persons. And as well as in case if at all they are in a third party relationship also, there may be some kind of a chances that they maybe had some kind of an argument with this third party, because due to the third party influence, there may be this kind of an impact may also be happen on this relationship. But anyway, if at all that is not any kind of a third party things here, so this person is fighting themselves. They are fighting with themselves with their own decision, because with the 10 of wands and with the 10 of cups and with the 5 of wands, I can clearly see that this person wants to take some kind of an action. They are being a very much emotion towards you, but this person is holding their heart. They are not revealing their truth. So so they are fighting. They are fighting with themselves. They are fighting with their own decision, where they have been showed this face. Okay, ignorance kind of a face. So right now I can see that this person next action could be that they will be fight with themselves. They will be take some kind of an clarity. Let's see. Let's clarify this 5 of wands and with the 10 of cups. Like what will be happen next? So let's clarify this 5 of wands and 10 of cups. Yeah, but on the deck, 9 of wands. Okay, I don't think so that this person will try to take some kind of an action. I can see that this person will be on a hold on energy. They will be like a back and forth. In their mind, it's not like with you. It's not like back and forth communication with you. I can clearly see that this person will, because this person is be like very stubborn. This person is showing some kind of a rude kind of an face towards you. Okay, yeah, so overall I can see that this person wants to be a part of your life. It's not like this person wants to be end up this connection. They want to marry you. Okay, they want a family with you, but there may be some kind of a huge chances. There may be some kind of a cultural difference maybe happen. And with the 9 of wands and with the hangman and queen of pentacles and with the 9 of swords, I can again say that there is some kind of a heavy chance that this person will try to spy on you. This person will try to like, even though this person is not communicating with you, they will watch each and every moves of you. Okay, they will keep an eye on you. Okay, and overall this person is right now prioritizing about their career path. And there may be that I can see with the next action that I don't see that this person will come and communicate. Overall I can see that this person will argue with themselves. Okay, they will be argue with themselves about their own decision, and they're not happy with the decision too. And right now they are trying to be focused on their side. Let's see what kind of a guidance you are getting for your relationship. Okay, passion. A magnetic and seductive quality surrounds you at present. Enjoy it. Okay. So for some kind of an water element, I can see that there may be some kind of a heavy chances that you maybe get some kind of a new love. Yes, balance. Love is not always about agreeing just for the sake of it. A great relationship is one that both supports and challenges. So right now I can see that there is not any kind of a balance is happening in a relationship. Okay, so balances need to be taken from your person end. So look inside yourself, examine what is causing you to feel this way. So I think that guys, you should need to be focused on your life. That's what I can see, because with the look inside yourself and the bottom of the deck, we get a friendship as well. So nurture the bonds of friendship within your relationship, and your love life will dramatically improve. So if at all your person may for some kind of a water element, I can see that in case of Yeah. So there may be some kind of a chances that this person will be communicate with you in a very friendly kind of a manner, where that you want some kind of a serious relationship with your person, and your person is also want some kind of a serious relationship with you. But right now, I don't think so. There is that this person will take any kind of an action. No, that is not any kind of an action, because things is not be like balanced. So for some kind of an water element, I can feel that this person will come and communicate with you in a friendly manner. In a friendly manner. So you should need to be like embrace the relationship. Okay. So try to talk with them as a friendly manner, and after some time this relationship will try to grow up. Okay. It's because things just need to be get balanced here. It's not be like balance. So if they are trying to communicate with you, communicate with them, but don't push them or force them for any kind of a serious commitment. Okay. Talk with them in a friendly manner so that things will be get healed up, so that this relationship will get grow up. Okay. Because I'm not saying that this person is cheating over you. This person definitely wants some kind of a new beginning, some kind of a family thing with you, so that the situation, the timing is not good right now for the water element, so that have like go with the flow energy and have like a low key kind of a maintenance. Okay. So that it will definitely bring some kind of a good opportunity in overall your life, and especially for your love life as well. So these are the messages I can see for the water element. I hope this could be resting with you. If it resting with you, if it is give you some kind of a clarity. So guys, please give a like, share, and subscribe. Please thumbs up. Please give a thumbs up, and please do like, share, and subscribe. So and if at all your friends and converse may love the tarot readings, please do recommend the channel to them, so that they can also get some kind of a clarity towards it. And as well as guys, if at all you need any kind of a personal reading, you can do reach out on my WhatsApp or else my Instagram. Both the details have been mentioned on the pinned command. You can go and check with that. And for the next reading, I will be post about your person channel or messages, like what their feelings towards you, so we can see with a very detailed manner. Okay. And so guys, please give your support, please give your support, please do subscribe, please do subscribe, because you are each and every support and subscription will definitely motivates me a lot, and it definitely help me to grow this channel as well. So see you guys in the next reading. Until that, love you all, take care, bye bye, water elements, stay positive, be positive. Okay, bye bye.